Spiff is an incentive compensation management platform designed to automate commission calculations and provide transparency for all stakeholders. This streamlined approach inherently supports rigorous auditing and flexible commission adjustments. The platform provides a deep audit trail by tracking every change made within the system. This includes updates to plans, users, or underlying logic, complete with effective dates. This detailed log is crucial for compliance with accounting standards like ASC 606 and IFRS 15, making the commission process audit-ready with just a few clicks. Historical statements can be locked down to preserve integrity for financial reporting. For commission adjustments, Spiff makes the process straightforward yet fully documented. You can easily apply simple adjustments or overrides directly to any statement or source data. Every single one-off change is recorded in the simple audit log, which even allows for comments and threads to explain the rationale behind the adjustment. This ensures that when a discrepancy or question arises, the full context and history of the change are immediately available, significantly reducing disputes and the time spent on manual reconciliations. Spiff essentially moves the commission process from error-prone spreadsheets to a single source of truth with unparalleled visibility.